who is handling the light?
हाँ
थोड़ा light डाल दो यार. I feel I'm not talking to anybody. Can you put some light there? To people, to doctor. Yes, now it look okay. Yeah, at least I can see people. Whom I'm talking to. I'm not used to that. और क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में जाओ तो पब्लिक ना बैठे हो तो खेला नहीं जाता. Now it's only I can't play, I can talk only. Thank you very much giving me opportunity to come here and spend time with you people. Basically my life mantra is can I learn more every day. And since morning I'm here and talking to the doctor, talking to everybody, trying to gauge where the world is going, where the life is going. And I feel meeting you is very good and not very good. Good is I learn a lot, not very good, it's scary. You get scared. Nobody should go to the hospital. That's what I pray. I am building a hospital also. I pray the similar thing. Nobody should go to the hospital. Without hospital, our life is zero also. So that's the way I look at it. I played cricket. You enjoyed. I feel very proud about that. कि at least हम खेले और आप खुश हुए. ये बहुत एक बड़ी देन है गॉड की कि आप कुछ काम करो और दूसरे लोग खुश हो. मेरा पैशन था. I had a passion to play and other people enjoyed. What more you can ask? That's the biggest gift God have given me. Ki at least I played and you enjoyed. Most of the time, whatever we do, we enjoy. But other people enjoying your work is cherry on the cake. So I'm very privileged. I'm very happy and delighted. What she said, the nation move. I didn't try to move anybody. I tried to move myself. मैं अपने आप को चाहता था कि और बेटर करूं. With that, if other people get motivated, you feel, oh really? Sometimes you don't even realize. But I was feel very happy. Not me, as a team we done well. And we were talking right a few minutes back in another room. Your business and your work is a teamwork. Cricket is a teamwork. एक कैच ड्रॉप कर दो सब खराब हो जाएगा. और एक in your operation one person make a faux pas और गलत कर दिया तो पूरा ऑपरेशन खराब हो जाएगा. So that's why the teamwork is very important and we should value everybody. It's not only doctor. I think everybody in the team we used to say, never say I. We say we. We learn. We word is more important than I. We is the strength. And that's what we used to do in cricket. Ki nobody is better than you. You are better than everybody. First believe within yourself. So I would only say to your group, for total organization, just don't want to be best in India. You should think about best in the world. And that's important. And a new doctor, you have the legacy, a legacy of 70 years of brand. Can we keep up that? It's the most difficult thing. Is somebody made a brand and we have a responsibility to make it better and let other people follow that. So you have more responsibility than anybody else because brand overnight नहीं बनते. Over the period of time बनते हैं. उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो enjoy your passion is more important. And they were talking about I don't like talking cricket. That's true. Because I moved on in life. अगर कुछ और करने के लिए नहीं होगा तो मैं कमेंट्री करूंगा जहां पैसे मिलेंगे. थोड़े बहुत पैसे चाहिए ना लाइफ चलाने के लिए. But if God give me any other way to make money, I will try avoid to go to cricket ground, because I feel I done and enjoyed that. And if I don't move on, my growth itself will stop. For my growth, I like to see the world. I like to meet people. And that's why I was saying a half an hour back, I don't like to give photographs. I like to talk to people. I like to learn more. More you talk, better thought will come up. With that, again, congratulations, good luck, all the best. You are making sports people happy. Now, before I go there, I play golf. Not many people look after golf player. If they have any injury, shoulder or ankle or knees, I'm going to ask you to help them. Cricketer is enough. Cricket board can pay for everybody, all the other sports people also. But I will request you, if I'm part of the golf organization, if ever anything happens, I will pick your name. Thank you very much and good luck.